talk in the parliament that continues and the stage which is set for yet another stormy session. Yesterday in the Rajya Sabha that was adjourned following a pandemonium and protest over the no trust motion against the chairman Jagdeep Dhankar and on the George Soros issue. Right after the opposition moved a no confidence motion against the Rajya Sabha chairman Jagdeep Dhankar and the vice president, saying that there are forces in the country and outside who cannot digest India's development and progress. He added that the act of fragmenting the country and insulting the institutions of the country is being done in a planned manner. Here's what happened.
Honorable members, I had in my chamber a meeting between leader of the House and leader of the opposition. The purpose of that meeting was to ensure that the House runs smoothly. Both sides and some other floor leaders who are present here like K. Shiva, Pramod Tiwari and Jairam Ramesh. Both sides had frank discussion and they signaled two things. One, that integrity, sovereignty of the nation is sacred for us. We cannot allow any forces within the country or outside to sacrilege our unity, our integrity and our sovereignty. The leaders had frank discussion. They have agreed to meet in my chamber tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. I would appeal to all the members of the House to carefully consider the oath of the Constitution they have taken. Their oath is very specific. They have to ensure integrity of the nation on a priority basis. Any challenge to the unity of the nation, to the integrity of the nation, from without or outside, requires all of us to offer united challenge. This is not a challenge to one section or the other.
But we also talk about how the opposition leader there, Mallikarjun Kharge, accused the vice president and the chairman Jagdeep Dhankar of acting like a school headmaster in Rajya Sabha and giving sermons to experienced opposition leaders while stopping them from speaking. Calling Dhankar as partisan, the opposition lashed out at the vice president and called him the disruptor-in-chief of the Rajya Sabha. BJP, however, said the Congress is disrupting the House in a desperate bid to deflect from issues like Soros. Rahul Gandhi's own alliance partner, the TMC, has also lashed out at the Congress for disrupting the House.
अडानी पे डिस्कशन नहीं चाहते हैं, अडानी से डिस्ट्रैक्ट कराना चाहते हैं. हमारी जिम्मेदारी नहीं है हाउस को चलानी, मगर हम कह रहे हैं कि हम 100% अब हाउस को चलाएंगे. ठीक है.
शर्म की बात है, पहली बार देख रही हूं कि सरकार खुद डिसरप्ट कर रही है सदन.
कांग्रेस और बीजेपी का मर्जी माफिक हाउस चलते हैं. कांग्रेस और बीजेपी सोच के आइए हाउस करेंगे कि नहीं करेंगे. जब मर्जी तब बंद कर देंगे, कोई इशू लेके.
Meanwhile, the opposition, which is also alleged that the chairman disregards the opposition leaders and treats them as rivals. The political showdown highlights the growing tensions between the ruling and the opposition parties in parliament. Listen in when it comes to the war of words that have been taking place.
संसद में विपक्षी की तरफ से रूल्स के तहत जो भी महत्वपूर्ण विषय उठाए जाते हैं, उन पर चेयरमैन प्लान्ड तरीके से संवाद, बहस, वाद विवाद नहीं होने देते. उनकी निष्ठा संविधान और संवैधानिक परंपराओं की जगह सत्ताधारी दल के लिए है. वे अपनी अगली प्रमोशन के लिए सरकार के स्पोक्स पर्सन बनकर काम कर रहे हैं, ऐसा हमें दिख रहा है. मुझे ये कहते हुए कोई संकोच नहीं कि द बिगेस्ट डिस्टर्बर इन राज्यसभा इज द चेयरमैन हिमसेल्फ.
और संसद में हमारे माइक्स मॉनिटर सेंसर होते हैं, हमारे कैमरे सेंसर होते हैं. हम लोगों को कितना हम बोलें उतना हमारा मेजरमेंट के साथ हमारी बात होती है. और ट्रेजरी बेंचेस की तरफ से वो जो चाहें कितना भी हमें बदनाम करें, कितना भी हमें बुरा बोलें, वो उनको इजाजत मिलती है। तो ये चीज से इस बात का एहसास होता है कि विपक्ष, जो कि हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने हमको एक चेक्स एंड बैलेंसेस के सिस्टम में उतनी ही ताकत दी है जितनी कि सत्ताधारियों को, लेकिन आज विपक्ष को पूरी तरह उनकी आवाज दबा के समाप्त करने का काम हो रहा है, ऐसा हमें महसूस होता है।
राज्यसभा के अंदर विपक्ष की मौजूदगी को हमारे सभापति जी ने पूरे तरीके से नकार दिया है। मैं एक टर्म पहले राज्यसभा में रहा था 2014 से 2020 तक, और अभी मुझे 2.5 साल करीब हुए हैं दोबारा दूसरी टर्म में। एक सेंटेंस नथिंग विल गो ऑन रिकॉर्ड, ये मैंने जो 6 साल में नहीं सुना था उससे कई गुना ज्यादा बार मैं अभी 2.5 साल में सुन चुका हूं। अपोजिशन पार्टीज के कोई भी नेता कोई भी बात कहना चाहते हैं, वहां से ये आदेश जारी हो जाता है, nothing will go on the record.
Well, Pradeep Datta is joining us live right now. Pradeep, good morning. Because it seems that the opposition is very well aware that it does not have the required numbers to move the motion, required notice that has also been not sent. And this move is merely symbolic as the opposition doesn't have the numbers. The BJP clearly has been slamming this move.
Yes, you're absolutely right, because they do not have the number, because this is not very easy thing that you can simply go for the no confidence motion and get the chairperson removed, because this is resolution is to be passed both in Rajya Sabha as well as Lok Sabha, and they do not have the required number. They know it's going to be symbolic only. But what is really a matter of concern that because more than politics of development, it's the politics of disruption what we are seeing right now in both in Lok Sabha as well as Rajya Sabha. Most of the time there's a pandemonium over one issue or the other. The main issues are not being discussed, and that's one of the reasons that people of the country feel that they have been taken for a ride, because at the end of the day, all these representatives, they enter into the corridors of power because people are expecting that they will be discussing about the issues. But what has been seen that on one hand, Congress has been pressing for the discussion on Adani issue, while as there are many other member parliament who want to discuss several other issues that are related to their respective constituencies. We have seen that yesterday Kalyan Banerjee also raised this point after coming out of parliament. He said that there are certain issues they really want to discuss, but they are not able to do so because they had been almost held hostage by the whatever the demands are being made either by the Congress or either by the BJP also. They feel that the house has been completely disrupted. So what exactly is right now is happening, you rightly said, it's going to be more of a symbolic in nature, because reason being they do not have the required number. But we have seen that the war of words between the opposition and the treasury benches is continuing, while as the treasury bench people are saying that Rahul Gandhi and the party are resorting to only political stunt. But while as the opposition party...
We've seen that kind of unique stunts that the Congress party has been taking up outside as far as in the parliament complex is concerned. But nearly as far as this particular motion is concerned, that has been unprecedented and never been seen before. And with less than 10 days to go for the parliament winter session to conclude, let's in the meantime also talk about, while the opposition has moved this no trust motion against the chairman, but the question mainly arises as far as the number game is concerned. Let's tack that when it comes to the numbers there in the Rajya Sabha, how exactly it is looking at the following when it comes to the NDA having the majority with 113, and we are looking at when it comes to the breakdown of all of the parties that are actually within the NDA, with the BJP having the maximum number of 95. Let's in the meantime take a look when it comes to the opposition India bloc. Clearly around 10 less as far as we are looking at the India bloc strength at 85, and Congress having 27, TMC 12, Aam Aadmi Party 10, DMK so on. And here when we talk about when it comes to the strength, which is of the elected 225, nominated are 6, these are others as well, and different other political parties who are not part of either of the alliance. So as far as these figures that have been stacking up, this is very much clear that when it comes to the opposition, they do not have the required numbers. Now when it comes to another